Hello friends, this is Anand Harsh. Once again, I am with you with a new discussion about some ethics of Oracle 10G Express Edition. In today's lecture, we consider the like predicate in Oracle 10G. Now, first of all, the question here is when to use the like predicate and where to use the like predicate. Friends, there may be some situations arise like we forgot the name of a person, of a city, of any places, and we want to search the records from the table. Like I only remember that the record of a student belongs to a city which started from the letter J. Okay, that means that is a one situation. I have to search records from the system. Okay, then there may be a situations like I have to find out the record from the system, but I didn't remember the name of that student. But I know that he has 5 characters in his name, so that can be a situation also that there can be um, uh, uh, like predicate find help us to find that records from the table. So now let's start with the like predicate. Like predicate, it has two wildcards. Okay, one is underscore symbol, and the other one is percent symbol. Okay, so these are two wildcards. One is underscore and the other one is percent symbol. The underscore is used when we have some finite values, and the percent symbol is used when we have some infinite values to search. Okay, so we will understand this two concepts with some examples. Like there is a situation like find out records of student, yeah, or employees where city name starts with letter J. Okay, so there can be a situation. Okay, so then this situation we have some finite value, that is J, but we have infinite values that they can be there can be many letters followed by J. The city name can be Jodhpur, the city name can be Jaipur, the city name can be Jabalpur also. So we cannot decide the letter digits or characters, number of characters in after the letter J. So that is infinite value. So we use here a percent symbol. How we can use this syntax of like predicate is where column name like and expression. Okay, so this is the syntax of like predicate, and from the above question we can use select star from employee master, as we use this on our terminal, employee master, where city like bracket start city like J starts from J, but we didn't know what are the following characters and how much are they in numbers. So we here put a percent symbol and enclose the bracket, then semicolon. So now we are using the first wildcard, that is percent symbol in the like predicate, to find out the records who have the city starts with the letter J. So now moving into the terminal. First of all, we see all the records from the table employee master. Okay, so here are these records. So if we try to put the like predicate into a statement, we will find out Jodhpur, Jaipur, uh, Jodhpur once again, Jalore and Jodhpur. 5 records we will find as they are starting from J. So select start from employee master, where e city like J, as it is stored in small, so I'm giving small j, and so all the cities name starting with the letter J are arrived. So here is the first example of like predicate to find out those records whose first city's first letter is J. Okay, now moving on to the other situation, find out. I'm correcting myself. Okay, so find out those records whose e name has 5 characters in it. Okay, so we have finite set of characters, so we use here underscore to find out the 5 letter employee name. Okay. So we are moving to the terminal. Select star from employee master, where e name like predicate start here, and we provide underscore. Be careful when you are using the underscore symbol, because the underscore symbol cannot be distinguished when inserted. So you must have to uh, cross check when you are inserting, count them when you are insert them into the system. That is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. So now we give only 5 underscore symbol so that the only those records will be retrieved from the table which have only 5 characters in their in name. So there is 3 records, that is Sunil, Sahil, and Nitin, which have 5 characters only. Let us cross check them from the table employee master. That okay, Kabir has 6 letters in their name. Shweta has 6 letters in their name. Ramesh has 6 letters in their name. Sahil, Nitin, and Sunil has 5 letters in their name. So our second example of the finite um, characters to find out from records using the like predicate is done. Now we are using a third example, mix mode like predicate. Mix mode like predicate says there are some finite values and there are some infinite values also. Like for an example, find out find out those record whose name start with a letter S and ends with a letter L. Okay, that can be a situation. That cannot be a situation. Let us um, change it with a letter S and W at the third position. Okay, so now this is a combinational or mixed mode like predicate. We have a we have a letter starts from S, but a W at its third position. But we don't know after that W character whatever the consequences of the characters is. So we have finite numbers of characters also, and we have some infinite number of characters also. So this is a mixed mode like predicate. Let us see how we deal with this in Oracle 10G. So select start from employee master where ename like start with S. So I'm putting here S and provide a single underscore because there is a letter W, that is there is a letter W at the position third. So S is the first position, underscore, then W is on the third position. So we are good at this position, and after that we don't know what will be the characters. So I'm putting here percent symbol. Okay, then semicolon. So we have some finite values here, S underscore and W, and we have some unfinite values. Uh, uh, for this we here putting a percent symbol. So we got the result from the table, that is Shweta. S at the beginning of the letter and W at the third position, and there is ETA after that W. So that is a mixed mode example of like predicate. I hope these examples will help you to find values uh, when you forgot something, or when you have some hints to find out the records from the table. I hope that you enjoyed this class a lot, and like predicate will help you to compete with the Oracle 10G in many situations. Thank you a lot. Please subscribe my channel and do like my channel, and please don't forget to um, give me your valuable suggestions, and thank you all of you. Have a good day.